watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. With a population of over 1.3 billion, corona vaccination is going to be challenging for India. Citizens have various fears and wrong assumptions about the vaccination drive. Who will be prioritized for corona vaccine? Do I fall in the priority group? How can I register for corona vaccination? Where can I register? What are the documents required to register for corona vaccine? To put an end to these dilemmas, the central government has released COVID-19 vaccination guidelines. Following are the highlights of the guidelines issued regarding coronavirus vaccination. Around 300 million people have been planned to be vaccinated under the first phase of the campaign, which includes health workers and people above 50 years of age with severe diseases. For vaccination drive, a digital platform, COVID Vaccine Intelligence Network, that is CoVIN system, has been developed, which will be used to locate the beneficiaries listed for vaccination. For self-registration on the CoVIN website, 12 photo identity documents including voter ID card, Aadhaar card, driving license, passport and pension document will be used. About 100 to 200 people will be vaccinated during each session per day. After applying the vaccine, the person concerned will be monitored for 30 minutes. In view of the preparations made by the central and state governments, it is expected that India, which has experience of the world's largest vaccination campaign, will be able to successfully complete this new vaccination drive. A mouthwash a day will keep COVID-19 away. Yes, this is true. Recently, Unilever announced that it has come up with a mouthwash that promises to kill 99% of COVID-19 virus in just 30 seconds. So now, this new mouthwash will keep both bad breath and coronavirus at bay. COVID-19 spreads primarily through droplets of saliva or discharge from the nose, which has been detected during and after the infection in COVID-19 patients and as well as in asymptomatic cases. The mouthwash developed by Unilever contains cetylpyridinium chloride, which has antiseptic properties and is used in solutions for the treatment of minor infections of the mouth and throat. Like masks and sanitizers, this new mouthwash will also help to keep COVID-19 at bay. Unilever, however, has cautioned that the newly formulated mouthwash should not be considered as a treatment option for COVID-19 infection, as it can only reduce the viral load in the mouth. A silver lining amongst the gloom. The national recovery rate has crossed 96% on 31st December, which is highest globally. The total recovered cases have crossed 98.6 lakhs in India, which is highest across the globe. Also, India documented less than 16,500 daily new cases on 29 December, which is the least in the last 187 days. Another achievement of India has been that our country, which was amongst 5 countries with the highest number of confirmed COVID-19 cases, India is the only one to not have seen the second wave of cases, at least as of now. These statistics show that India is doing great on COVID-19 front, which has been possible by ramping up testing rates and also providing plenty of support to the medical facilities. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care.